So hi guys, we're back. I was almost banned.
I was already banned from one house. I gotta rejoin.
The normal house?
The field.
Let's go. Bro. Make yourself small. Make yourself small. Alright. Hey, get ready. 1,
Oh my god, they're right there.
2.
Oh no, they're in the bathroom.
Oh, what are they chatting? Do you want to go out? Let me get it. It's
All evidence. For real this time.
Oh.
I screenshotted them.
That's good because I'm videoing.
How screenshotted?
This is not a private server, guys. This is public server.
This is not our friends. This is strange. Oh my god, the doors are low. Oh my god. Run for your real goddamn life.
No.
Alright.
Going to do something.
Hey, yo, no.
Wow. Go.
Oh.
They said broski. This is an invasion of privacy. Therian Musk. God in 4K, man. This is crazy.
Oh no.
Oh. You got no evidence.
Oh, there they are. They're coming. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Let's see in the chat. Let's see on the chats.
No, we're not doing that. We're doing this.
Bro. It's a girl and boy.
Oh ma.
It's a girl and boy. Yo, this is so sus.
Oh, now this is way more than dangerous. Don't do it like that. Don't you dare, bro. Swear. I swear.
You banned? You got banned?
Nah. Check this out. Alright.
Oh, they're now girls.
Alright, nah.
What the heck are they girls?
They're lesbian.
Lesbians. Lola Willy. Hi, Lola Willy. Goodbye.
Hi. Got to end this. I'm low bat
Why?
already. I'm low bat.
Alright, bye guys. We're going now.